Welcome back, Grade 8 learners. Today, we will talk about systems of linear inequality in two variables. Let's take a review first about a linear inequality. A linear inequality in two variables can be written in one of the four forms. Ax plus by is less than c. Ax plus by is greater than c. Ax plus by is less than or equal to c. And Ax plus by is greater than or equal to c, where a, b, and c represent real numbers and a and b are not both 0. Two or more linear inequalities considered together form a system of linear inequalities. A graph of an inequality in two variables x and y consists of all points x, y whose coordinates satisfy the inequality. Determine whether the ordered pair is a solution of the systems of linear inequality or not. Let us say we have x plus 2y is less than 6. 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 2. Alamin natin kung ang ordered pair 2, 1 is a solution to the system of linear inequality or not. Para malaman natin yon, we will substitute our coordinates to our two linear inequalities. Unahin na natin si inequality number 1. Okay, so x plus 2y is less than 6. Alam naman natin na sa ordered pair, ang x-coordinate ay yung first number doon, which is 2, at ang y-coordinate is the second number, which is 1. We will just substitute it to our linear inequality. Palitan natin si x at si y. Magiging 2 plus 2 times 1 is less than 6. 2 plus 2 is less than 6. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 is less than 6. Dito tayo sa pinakang dulo magfo-focus. Aalamin natin kung ito ba ay true or false statement. 4 is less than 6. Is it true or false? It's true. Therefore, 4 is less than 6 is a true statement. Dahil dyan, 2, 1 is a solution sa first inequality pa lang. Paano kaya sa second inequality? So let us substitute our given ordered pair 2, 1 sa pangalawa namang linear inequality. 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 2. Same process. Substitute natin si x and y sa ating linear inequality. Magiging 2 times 2 plus 1 is greater than or equal to 2. Let us simplify. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is greater than or equal to 2. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 is greater than or equal to 2. Okay, ito na yung pinakahuli dito. So, we will find out kung ito ba is a true or false statement. 5 is greater than or equal to 2. Is it a true or false? Okay, this is true. Okay, so since 2, 1 satisfies both inequalities, therefore it is a solution to the system of linear inequality. Okay, ibig sabihin yan, kung mag-satisfy yung ating given ordered pair sa dalawang linear inequalities, therefore it is a solution. Pero kung isa sa kanila ay hindi mag-satisfy, ang isa sa kanila ay mag-false statement, ibig sabihin nun, the given ordered pair is not a solution. Okay, same system of linear inequality tayo. Pero ang ordered pair natin is negative 1, 2. Ibang ordered pair naman ang ating alamin kung ito ba ay solution sa ating system of linear inequality. Okay, so same process. First inequality muna tayo. Let us substitute the x and y coordinates sa ating linear inequality. X plus 2y is less than 6. Magiging negative 1 plus 2 times 2 is less than 6. Simplify lang natin. Negative 1 plus 4 is less than 6. Negative 1 plus 4 is 3. 3 is less than 6. Alamin natin kung ang 3 is less than 6 is a true or a false statement. What do you think? Is it a true or false? Okay, that's correct. It's a true statement dahil mas maliit talaga si 3 kesa kay 6. Paano naman kaya sa pangalawang linear inequality? Let us substitute negative 1, 2 sa ating pangalawang linear inequality. 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 2. Substitute lang natin ng x at y. Magiging 2 times negative 1 plus 2 is greater than or equal to 2. Simplify. Negative 2 plus 2 is greater than or equal to 2. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0. 0 is greater than or equal to 2. So, tignan natin. Is 0 greater than or equal to 2? Is it a true or false statement? Alright, that is correct. This is a false statement. Dahil, sabi dito, 0 is greater than or equal to 2. Pero hindi siya mas malaki kesa kay 2. Okay, so therefore, this is a false statement. Since negative 1 and 2 only satisfies the first inequality, it is not a solution to the system of linear inequality. Okay, so ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na kapag ka isa sa mga linear inequalities ay nag-false statement, automatically, that given ordered pair is not a solution to the system of linear inequality. Dapat parehong true statement. Now, let us graph the system of linear inequalities in two variables. X plus 2y is less than 6. 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 2. Sa paggagraph ng system of linear inequalities in two variables, ginagraph natin yung dalawang linear inequalities sa iisang Cartesian plane lang. So, unahin na nating i-graph si x plus 2y is less than 6. Kailangan natin ng Cartesian plane. Okay, so kung matatandaan ninyo, napag-aralan natin kung paano mag-graph ng linear inequalities in two variables noong nakaraang linggo. So, first step, graph x plus 2y is equal to 6 using the intercept method. So, yung linear inequality natin, ginawa muna nating linear equation to get the x and y-intercept. Let us solve for the x-intercept first. Para ma-solve natin ang x-intercept, y is equal to 0. X plus 2y is equal to 6, papalitan natin yung ating y ng 0. Magiging x plus 2 times 0 is equal to 6. 2 times 0 is equal to 0. Pwede na nating hindi isulat ang 0. X is equal to 6. Therefore, the x-intercept is 6. The coordinates of the x-intercept is 6, 0. I-solve naman natin ngayon ang y-intercept. To solve the y-intercept, x is equal to 0. X naman ang papalitan natin ng 0. From the equation, x plus 2y is equal to 6. X natin ay magiging 0 plus 2y is equal to 6. Pwede nang hindi isulat si 0. Magiging 2y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 3. Therefore, the y-intercept is 3 and the coordinates of the y-intercept is 0, 3. Okay, next. We are going to plot the x and y-intercept in our Cartesian plane. X-intercept muna. Ang coordinates ng x-intercept is 6, 0. So this is 6, 0. Next is the y-intercept. 0, 3. So this is 0, 3. Ngayon, Kapag ka tayo ay nagplot ng x at y-intercept sa ating Cartesian plane, we are connecting them using a line. But the line or the boundary line will depend on the symbol used by our linear inequality. So, tandaan natin, kung ang inequality symbols na ginamit natin is less than o kaya naman greater than, ang gagamitin natin is broken line. Sa first inequality natin, less than ang ginamit. So, therefore, we will connect the 2 points using broken line. Ayan. We just connected them using a broken line. Now, use 0, 0 as a test point to find which half plane contains the solution set. Ang ating first inequality ay x plus 2y is less than 6. Gagamitin natin yung 0, 0 para malaman natin kung aling part ba ang magiging solution set natin sa ating linear inequality. Substitute the value of x and the value of y as 0. 0 plus 2 times 0 is less than 6. 2 times 0 is still 0. Kaya naman naging 0 plus 0 is less than 6. 0 plus 0 is still 0. 0 is less than 6. Is this a true or false statement? Yes, it's a true statement. Dahil ang 0 ay mas maliit talaga kesa sa 6. So, ito yung ating 0, 0. Hence, the half plane that contains 0, 0 is the solution. Kung ito ay nag-true statement, ibig sabihin yan, itong part na merong 0, 0 ay magiging solution set. Kung yan ay solution set, we need to shade this part. Ayan. Yung shaded part ang solution set ng ating linear inequality. The coordinates of every point on the shaded area are solution of the inequality. Ibig sabihin yan, kahit anong point sa ating shaded part ng linear inequality, magsasatisfy yan sa ating given. Yun namang mga point doon sa kabilang part, hindi siya magsasatisfy because that is not the solution set of our linear inequality. Okay, don't forget to write the name of the inequality. X plus 2y is less than 6. We are done graphing the first linear inequality. So now, we are going to graph the second linear inequality, which is 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 2. Same process, we need Cartesian plane, and graph 2x plus y is equal to 2 using the intercept method. Ginawa din natin itong equation to get the x and y intercept. Unahin na natin kunin si x-intercept. To solve for the x-intercept, y is equal to 0. 2x plus y is equal to 2. Papalitan lang natin dito yung y ng 0. 2x plus 0 is equal to 2. Pwede nang hindi isulat yung 0. 2x is equal to 2. To solve for x here, i-multiply lang natin both sides of the equation by 1/2. X is equal to 1. Therefore, our x-intercept here is 1. The coordinates of the y-intercept is 1, 0. Kunin naman natin ngayon ang y-intercept. To get the y-intercept, x is equal to 0. Isulat lang natin yung ating equation. 2x plus y is equal to 2. And substitute the value of x, which is 0. 0, that will be 2 times 0 plus y is equal to 2. 2 times 0 is 0. Pwede nang hindi isulat. So, y is equal to 2. Therefore, the y-intercept here is 2, and the coordinates of the y-intercept is 0, 2. Sunod nating gagawin ay ipa-plot ang ating x at y-intercept. Unahin natin si x-intercept. Ang coordinates ng x-intercept ay 1, 0. This is 1, 0. Next is our Y-intercept. The coordinates of Y-intercept is 0, 2. This is 0, 2. Okay, so dahil na-plot na natin ang ating X at Y-intercept, we will now connect them. Iko-connect natin yan at yun ang ating magiging boundary line. Ang boundary line ay nakadepende sa symbol na ginamit natin. So sa linear inequality number 2 natin, ang ginamit natin is greater than or equal to. In graphing linear inequalities using less than or equal to, o kaya naman greater than or equal to, we use solid line. So we will connect them using solid line. Now, use 0, 0 as a test point to find which half-plane contains the solution set. From our linear inequality, 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 2, i-substitute natin yung ating 0, 0 para malaman natin kung yan ba ay kasama sa solution set o hindi. Magiging 2 times 0 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 2. 2 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 is greater than or equal to 2. Is this a true or false statement? 0 is greater than or equal to 2 is a false statement. So ayan ang ating 0, 0 at yan ay false statement. Hence, the half plane that contains 0, 0 is not the solution. Ibig sabihin niyan, kung ito ay nag-false, itong part na ito ay hindi solution set. Ibig sabihin niyan, yung kabilang side ang magiging solution set. Ito yun. The coordinates of every point on the shaded area are solution of the inequality. Ibig sabihin, any point sa ating shaded area ay solution set. Magsasatisfy yan sa ating linear inequality. Kung dito ka naman kukuha sa hindi kasama sa shaded part, yun ay hindi solution set, hindi yun magsasatisfy sa ating linear inequality. So don't forget to write the name of the inequality. 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 2. Okay, so tapos na nating i-graph ang dalawang linear inequalities in two variables. Ito ang graph ng x plus 2y is less than 6. Yung shaded part dito ang solution set ng ating first linear inequality. Ito naman ang graph ng pangalawang linear inequality, 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 2. Yung shaded part dyan ang ating solution. Pero sa system of linear inequalities in two variables, ang dalawang linear inequalities ay iginagraph sa iisang Cartesian plane. So let us try to combine the two graphs of the two linear inequalities. So this is the graph of the first linear inequality, x plus 2y is less than 6. Isama naman natin ngayon yung graph ng second linear inequality. So this is the graph of the second linear inequality, 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 2. Ang graph ng dalawang linear inequalities ay magkasama sa iisang Cartesian plane. Kung mapapansin natin, ang dalawang graph ng linear inequalities ay nag-overlap dito sa part na ito. This is the solution region for the system. The solution set for the system contains all ordered pairs in the region where the inequalities solution sets overlap along with ordered pairs on the portion of any solid line that touches the region of overlap. Ibig sabihin yan, lahat ng points dito sa overlap ng dalawang linear inequalities ay solution ng ating system of linear inequalities. Lahat lang ng points dito sa ating intersection or sa may part na nag-overlap sila ang magiging solution set. Subukan natin kumuha dito sa ibang part that will not satisfy both linear inequalities. Ito lang na nasa may solution region for the system ang ating magiging solution set. So this is on how we graph the system of linear inequalities into variables. Okay, before we end our lesson today, I have 4 questions here. 1. When is the boundary line in a graph solid? 2. When is the boundary line in a graph broken? 3. How do you know if an ordered pair is part of the solution set given the graph of a system of inequalities? 4. Explain how to decide which side of the boundary line to shade when graphing a linear inequalities into variables. Pipili ka ng isang tanong dito at iyong ilalagay ang sagot sa ating comment section para malaman ko kung may natutunan ka o wala. Okay, so I am hoping that you will answer one of these 4 questions, and that will be the end of this lesson. I hope that you learned something from this video, and if you have something to say or comment or message about the lesson, just let me know in the comment section. That's all for today. See you on my next video. Thank you.